Lord. 3 more days, girl, you know I will be coming home to you, Lord. I know it's wrong to be so far from home. I know it's wrong to leave you so alone. I've just got to get you this good job done so I can bring it on home.